What's up, everyone? This is Tywon with H2Hubb, and we're here to do a test video for the Pure H2 Nanobubble Hydrogen Inhalation System. This is the 300 milliliter per minute variant of the device, and this system has passed all of our recommendation standards, our performance standards for recommendation. And so we want to do a test video. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to use one of our gas displacement apparatus, and we're going to test the milliliter per minute output of the system. We're going to do a simple conversion, and so what we're going to do is we're going to let the system run, and we're going to displace the water for 15 seconds and times that by 4 to get its milliliter per minute output rating. And so that is how we're going to run the test, and so we're going to do that now. Okay, the system ended up producing about 70, about 82 milliliters in 15 seconds. So that would convert to about 328 milliliters per minute, and that is right on par. That's right on par with what the system is rated for. We are a little bit above sea level here, and so if you convert it to SATP, this system is right around 300 milliliters per minute. And so that is the test video for the Nanobubble Pure H2 Inhalation System, and we'll catch you next time. You can actually view this product on H2Hubb.com underneath our recommendation products tab. And so you can catch us next time at the H2Hubb.